Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit World. This is not an unusual video because you must be thinking that am I going to review this phone right here? No, I'm not, because I'm going to tell you how you can get the new iPhone 12 which just released 2 days ago with Apple financing. But there's a lot of questions when we talk about the iPhone 12. So before moving forward with this video, a lot of people love this phone, a lot of people don't, because people say that hey, they actually came up with the same design they had with iPhone 5 and iPhone 4, and I pretty much agree with it. But of course it's fast and this color is beautiful. I love it. So please let me know in the comment below, what do you think about this phone? Do you like it? Are you gonna get it? Or you feel like you should wait for the next iPhone? So what are your thoughts? Please let me know in the comment below, so we'll have a great conversation right there. And also I'm going to make another video which will allow you to get a $1,000 credit card without any effect to your credit score with guaranteed approval. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you will get to know whenever we upload that video. Thank you so much. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. As you know that Apple launched 4 phones, actually several phones. I don't even know how many phones they launched. It's just Apple iPhone 12, Apple iPhone mini, Apple iPhone Pro, Apple iPhone Pro Max, and I'm tired. So you can get these phones for as low as $6 a month and a 0 APR. So it means that you can just pay off this phone just in 24 months. But how you can do that, I'm going to guide you step by step. So right here, what you need to do, first you need to click on any iPhone that you would like to buy, and then you would like to select the model first. So for example, I clicked on this one, and then they ask you to choose a color. I personally like white, so let's click on the white and see right here. So these are the options they give you. Believe me, I tell it to everyone, don't buy the phone from any courier. There are rip-offs. I'm also stuck in one of the contracts from AT&T, and believe me, they are rip-off when it comes to AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon. I hate them because they charge you the fees that you don't even know about. For example, they charge one fee that they call it the data usage VNM, and they're charging me $81 for it just for 2 lines. Can you believe it? And this is extreme ripoff. So please don't get involved in any of the careers right here. Click on the SIM free, activate with any career later. Believe me, just click on it and buy it from them. Then it comes from straight from the Apple, with no restriction, with nothing else. Right now, after clicking on it, they will ask you, of course, what storage option that you would like to click. So let's go with 128 right now. You click on 128. If you have a smartphone, if you already have an Apple iPhone or any other phone, you can click on yes, and then you can just select your model. For example, I'm gonna click on this, and they're gonna tell me how much I'm gonna get for the trade-in, and it says up to $80. Right, let's click on iPhone 11 Pro Max, up to 500. So it's totally depend, and actually you can select any phone that you have except a couple of other phones, just like you can, just like a couple of other phones, you can say OnePlus T, 8T, and whatever it is. You cannot trade those phones with Apple, but you can do the Pixel phones and Apple phones and Samsung phones easily, and they give good amount when it comes to the trade-in. But right now we are not going to trade in, so let's click on no, and then they actually give you the option of Apple Card monthly installment. You see, when you click on it, you see what they're exactly doing. So if you have an Apple Card, for example, you have a limit of $1,000, right? And this phone is $779, for example. So what they do, they will deduct that $779 from your Apple Card, and then they will give a monthly installment, a minimal monthly installment of $32 in this case when it comes to this iPhone, right? And the only thing you need to do every month, you need to pay that $32 with 0% interest and APR. So what it means that you're not going to pay a single penny when it comes to the APR. So this is a really good option that I believe. But if you are doing other purchases with your Apple card, so what happens, they are going to charge you APR, and also they're going to charge you the minimum payment. For example, if you bought the phone, if you have $1,000 credit and you have the phone for $779, and then you actually bought something for $100, right? So what they're going to do, they're going to charge you $32.45 for the Apple iPhone as a monthly installment, and then they're going to charge you the minimum monthly payment for that $100 plus the APR on that $100, not for the whole amount. So I hope you must have understood what is this all about. If you are going to buy it, you are going to get it on cash, or you think this is actually a good option, you can do that. It gives you, whenever you pay them, it gives you 3% daily cash. So let me just tell you, it's not daily cash. What it is exactly, if you pay $32.45 every month, so they give you the 3% back on it, and this is nothing, so just leave that part. It's just like something to attract you guys. The one thing that I really love is zero APR. So but remember, they will still report to your credit report that you have a balance of $779. So please remember this. This is really important. Well, when you click on it and you just scroll down, they ask you for the warranty and stuff. When you click on it, your monthly installment will go up, and I actually always recommend people to buy the Apple Care or buy Apple Care with theft and loss. This is something that I would like to have if I'm gonna buy this phone, but I'm not going to buy it because I'm not an Apple person. I'm sorry. I do have an Apple phone. I have Apple SE, but I rarely use it. So I'm a Pixel guy. I have a Pixel phone. The new Pixel 5 is really good. I'm not going to stretch this video anymore. Please let me know in the comment below, what do you think about this Apple iPhone 12 and its models, and at the same time, do you think it's expensive, and should we buy it on Apple Card or should we buy it on cash? So let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to upload that video, $1,000 credit card without any credit check. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will get notification whenever we upload that video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.